Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 on my 3-part series, Season of Suddenly, Coming Home to Yourself. And today's title is Power of Being Present and Receptive, and it's the power that you've been missing. So what if, I've just finished doing a 3-part series on what if. So you can see that on my channel, just go to the playlist, or if I remember, I'll put the links below. What if the reason things haven't shifted yet, and what if the problem isn't that power isn't available, but that we're just not present enough to catch it, to receive it? You know, when you're present, you're open. And when you're open, you will automatically receive the power to do what you need to do. To heal, to let go, to change, to grow, to move forward. So today I want to talk about presence and receptivity. Because you may not always receive what you want, but you always receive what you are present for. Open hands catch what clenched fists never can. So, welcome to anyone new here. My name is Anne-Marie. I'm a transformation coach and hypnotherapist. I help people reclaim their power to find healing and purpose in their lives after loss, pain or trauma. In particular, I love helping women reclaim their power and recover and rebuild themselves after narcissistic or toxic relationships. So if you want to work with me, my details are below in the description box. So, presence is not passive. Presence is power. It's the doorway to peace, to enlightenment, to healing. Because the only power we truly own is in this very moment, right here, right now. Not the past, not the future, but in this moment is the moment I have the power to change. I have the energy to change. Here is where I can catch, where I can receive the knowledge I need to make those changes. And most people who are genuinely working on themselves, they don't struggle because they lack effort. They struggle because they don't know how to receive honestly. Not just for self, but for receiving for the world. Right? Because life is so much bigger than all of us. It would be arrogant to think that the world revolves around me, that it's all about me. When I'm catching, I'm not just catching for myself. When I'm healing, I'm not just healing for myself. Because when I'm healing, I stop being part of the bigger problem in the world. And when we're talking about the present, you don't receive from the future. You don't receive from the past. You receive from right now. When your mind is elsewhere, when your mind is everywhere else but here, you miss what's already here. Many spiritually minded people are secretly blocked by hyper-independence. And hyper-independence is often an unhealed survival response. And I can certainly speak to that. We block ourselves by overdoing, overgiving, over-sacrificing. I've been let down too many times. I'll do it myself. I can't rely on anyone because of too many broken promises. I'll just figure it all out on my own. That's not strength. That's survival. Power doesn't chase you. It responds to availability. And when I'm available, not busy, doing, all distractions, I can't catch it. Catching power needs open hands, an open mind, and an open heart. When you allow support, allow love, allow God, things begin to move really quickly, almost shockingly. Clarity comes faster, peace deepens, the right people appear. It feels sudden because you stop resisting and you're getting out of the way. So if you're tired of carrying everything alone, know that you don't need to anymore. And if you want a grounded, real space to practice presence, to practice self-love, self-respect, have real conversations and receptivity, I'm here. You're not alone. We can work one-on-one, or you can simply be part of this community. So remember to like and subscribe to make sure you get the videos. And it helps build the community. It is something that is needed in the world, and we do need to support each other in that healing process. So we can make it that little bit easier for ourselves and for each other by just being open and receptive. Because you know what? You were never meant to do this unsupported. We're all meant to support each other. So until next time, as always, and next time, the last part 3 of this series will be on loving detachment and why you don't have to drown to prove that you care. So until next time, as always, lots and lots of love from my heart to you.